It's a very important visit. This will be the 23rd annual summit between uh, the leader, the Prime Minister of India, and the President of Russia. And it's very significant because this is a expression of the special privileged partnership, strategic partnership that we have between India and Russia. And as it happens, this is coming after a few years because this is the first time, after the start of the Ukraine-Russia conflict that he'll be coming. So it'll be a very good opportunity to discuss. As you know, Prime Minister Modi has taken a very active role in asking for an end to the war. He's saying this is not the era of war. He's called for a cessation of hostilities, for direct dialogue. President Trump of USA has also given a 28-point peace plan, which of course the Europeans are resisting strongly on. So this will be a very valuable opportunity to discuss all these issues. In addition to that, there are a number of issues bilateral between India and Russia, particularly on increasing the defense supplies, because as you know, our defense partnership with Russia has great significance. And, on the S-400 air defense system has done so well during Operation Sindoor. So there is great interest in receiving some more of these S-400 on an expedited basis. So I'm sure that will be discussed. There is a lot of discussion of this the Sukhoi 57, the new stealth aircraft of the Russian government, Russian Air Force, and whether India can, I think the Russian government is very keen that India should take this. This is equivalent to the F-35 or that kind of purchases. So, of course, the government of India must be considering that request, and I'm sure this will also come up during discussion. Bilateral trade will be a big, important aspect because we want to increase the trade, we want to double the trade, more than double the trade. And India has opened recently in Russia two more consulates to give more focus on the regional parts of Russia where trade, places like Kazan, where trade can increase, where there's a lot of interest in getting more products from India. So every effort is being made by both sides, by government of India and government of Russia, to step up the relationship